Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be installing an LED bar on my Cybertruck. So without wasting too much time, let's take a look what's in the box and get it installed on the truck. Alright guys, so I took the liberty of taking the bar out of the box to save a little bit of time. And basically this is what we have. Here's the bar. Let me get a little close up of it. Alright, it looks a little different than some of the other bars that I've seen from different manufacturers, and this one seems to be a lot closer to what the Tesla's LED bar is. So basically what you get in the box is the bar, you get the electric tape and 3 suction cups, and basically what they are for is you install them in all these 3 different locations to keep it down for about 24 hours to make sure the tape adheres properly to the windshield. And that's it really. As far as the install itself, super easy. There's only 2 wires. Now the Cybertruck comes with 3 for the actual bar from Tesla, but this one has 2, so there's no adjustment of brightness, which again most of the aftermarket ones are. So yeah, so let's go ahead, get the wires prepped on the Cybertruck and get everything soldered and put together. Alright guys, so first things first, what I already did is I took off the tape that was on it from the manufacturer. Just got to cut it off. But basically, as you see here, you get 3 wires, the green, the black, and the red. Green we're not using. I'm just gonna cut these pieces off and strip it to expose the wire on, like I said, on the red and the black. And another thing too, just use a little pry bar, get this thing up. It's just clips right here, so you're not gonna break it. Just get under it and lightly pry it up, and that's it. That's all you really need. You don't need to take the entire strip off, just this little piece right here, because the bar and the wires will go right underneath it. Okay, and that's really it. Also, before you do anything, make sure you clean the windshield really well. It's already tons of pollen here in Jersey, so as you can see probably on the windshield here, and I already cleaned this area up. Make sure it adheres properly, and that's it. So let's go ahead and get this thing stripped and prep it to get it all soldered and put together. Alright guys, so what I did temporarily is I just used these wire nuts to put the red to red, black to black, get back inside the truck and turn it on to see, make sure everything works before I solder it in place and get the wires wired, run properly, and get the bar actually mounted to the windshield. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. So to do that, we have to go to the outlets and mods and turn the roof power feed on. And there you go, the lights are on. Hopefully you can see this, and I'm gonna do another portion of this video at night so you can see actually how bright this thing is. So yep, it's working, the lights are on. Let's go ahead and do everything permanently. Alright guys, so this part is done. Just a quick note, what I use these shrinking and self-soldering connectors. Basically just use a heat gun and the solder melts and basically solders the 2 ends together, and that's really it. Very clean, very simple to do. No need to mess around with soldering irons. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and tuck these in, get this aligned, remove the backing tape, get that aligned, and put the suction cups on to keep it in place for, as they say, about 24 hours. I mean, I'll see how things go, but yeah, let's continue. Alright guys, the install is done. As you can see, a very clean install. Zoom in a little closer on the wires. They run right under this strip. Very clean, no wires protruding. 3 suction cups, as I mentioned before. They stay on, they stay for 24 hours. I think it'll be fine for an overnight and take it off in the morning. Yeah, and that's really it. Alright guys, so that was a quick and easy install of the LED bar on my Cybertruck. Quick shout out to Tesstudio for sending these to me to get it installed and reviewed. So hopefully this video was useful to some of you. I'm going to leave a link down below to the LED bar as well as a discount code. As always, if you liked the video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys soon. Take care.